Hola, hola everyone. My name is Dr. Thania Acarón and I'm the founder and director of The Body Hotel, which is a social enterprise that focuses on movement as a tool for well-being, particularly employee well-being and self-care and respite. Today, I have been invited by Wahoon, the Wales Arts Health and Wellbeing Network, and their program Ados Pause to lead us through an exercise focusing on some of the aspects that we have been covering in our series, of course, I have been leading, called Reflecting on Decisions and Life Transitions Through Movement. Today, I'm going to take you through a very short exercise on one of the principles of decision making that has been part of my research and my practice. This concept is flow tension, which relates to not only to our muscular tension, but also to our breath and our ability to self-regulate. So we're going to try and see if we can create tension. We're going to create two circles with our hands. And then when we go forward, we're going to increase the tension. And then when we go back, we're going to release that tension. So we're going to try, and this is great to do in a partner exercise, where we're going to try to coordinate more tension going forward, less tension going back. We can reverse that as well. And noticing if we're able to start regulating tension in the body and noticing what that's like. We can also try and do that first, pushing forward and then releasing. You can do that with the breath and release, and doing that and release. And often if you want to calm some anxiety or you want to self-regulate, you can do that coming down and then releasing, or the opposite would be pushing up and releasing. So we try that a couple of times in whichever direction feels comfortable. Try in different directions. And sometimes this exercise can help regulate, release some of the tension that maybe has been built up during the day, and provide a little bit of a break if you're undergoing some work, or you're kind of in high intensity and you want to match that intensity to then start working through productive notions of tension. So hopefully this is something you can try at home, and really looking forward to seeing what your feedback is on this exercise and how you have applied it to your daily life. And you can get in touch at The Body Hotel and follow us on all social media. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll move together soon.